सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारा YouTube चैनल और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कीजिए लेटेस्ट नॉलेजेबल वीडियो सबसे पहले पाने के लिए।
आदित्य वर्धन को जो इस टॉपिक के अगेंस्ट में बोलेंगे, ही फ्रॉम MANUU कॉलेज दरभंगा। और मैं पार्टिसिपेंट से एक रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि वो बेहतर हो कि अगर कॉरिडोर को फॉलो करें आने के लिए, और जो डाइस के या जो इस प्रोग्राम के मैनेजमेंट में हैं वो उनसे मैं दरख्वास्त करूंगा कि वो एस्कॉर्ट करें उनको, कम से कम रास्ता बताएं किधर से उनको पहुंचना है। आदित्य वर्धन।
A very warm good morning to everyone. Honorable judges, respected teachers, and my dear friends. I am Aditya Vardhan from MANUU College, standing before you to present the topic, and I am to speak in against of the topic. And today's topic is the present education system has failed to address our social challenges. First of all, I would like to focus among us that what is our social challenges. Really, our country is full of 125 crores of population, and our social challenges are dynamic, as my friend has said. We are facing from poverty, we are facing from unemployment. Our country is facing, as we have seen before, in past we have seen our country was facing female foeticide. It was a very popular problem in our country. Now, I would like to focus with how our education system can change these kind of problems in our country, and had changed these kind of problems in our country. First of all, I would like to focus that how female foeticide had been changed through the education system of our country. The best example among you is here. We can see that as many as boys or as many as men are sitting among us, I can see the numbers of girls is the same. This is the change of our education system. This education system has given us the same, that as boys are same, the girls are to be same. Because no one is more or no one is enough. Because when we are coming on this earth, we are same. We are not a great from before. I had an example. When Bill Gates was on this earth, he was nothing. But now you can see, as much as he is earning, that if he will waste his money, I had used the word waste. If he will waste his money daily on a regular basis with an amount of 6 crores, even then his all property will finish in 218 years. It is a very, very, very huge data. You can see this. He was not a great man. Now I will take an example from girls' side. You have seen that our first woman spaceship who went to space, Kalpana Chawla, she was a woman. Now you can see the change. No one stopped her. She was also a female. This is the main change, this is the main theme given by our present education system. Now I would like to focus how unemployment is being changed through this education system. As we have seen that our Honorable Prime Minister, Narendra Modi ji is ensuring new schemes in months, in weeks. Our best example for this was PMKVY, as we have seen Pradhan Mantri Kausal Vikas Yojana. This Yojana was specially for those who are sitting idle. It made us, it has given us spark to work on and to become employed. Another example for me is Ayushman Bharat. It was a scheme launched by our Honorable Prime Minister, which gave us surety for 1 lakh people job. Means unemployment is being, now we are getting rid of this problem. It is not a big problem now in our country. We are getting rid of these problems because these employment opportunities are coming among us, and we are trying to get these opportunities. Means we are getting rid from these opportunities. Now I would like to talk even on education system, that how we are getting education. I had seen that in our society, not only in our society but in the whole country, people want that they will get degrees, they will get job, and their life will be secure. No one tries to establish something new. No one tries to establish something new. But our government, our central government has enforced a subject which is named as entrepreneurship. This subject has been enforced among us just to understand why. This has been enforced among us. Why? What was the need of this subject? This subject gave us the opportunity to make ourselves great, because we think that we will get degree and we will do job. This subject gives opportunity that we will create such a surrounding that we will give job to others. If I will give job to 10 people, then I will be more sufficient than I will to do job in another's control. That's why these kind of subjects has been empowered and enforced from our government in the main course of education. Now, I would like to also address that as a subject that is known from a name or value education or moral education has been imposed in the education of ours. This subject has been enforced because of to develop our personality. Because before it was seen that students or the people were having degrees, were having great knowledge, but don't want to express themselves in front of anyone else. As I am standing before this crowd, I must be afraid. Before some days, I also must be afraid to express myself. But now, we are getting time and we are having these kind of education. So at last, I would like to say that our education system has changed. And it also needs to change. Not it is 100%, but it has changed and it has given us many things. So, never goes in vain. So we should also try, and our government is also trying. Thank you.
सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारा YouTube चैनल और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कीजिए लेटेस्ट नॉलेजेबल वीडियो सबसे पहले पाने के लिए।